So there is this care instruction for Calamonding miniature orange. If you turn it around, there is this instruction. Place outdoors in a sunny area. Keep soil moist all the time. Feed regularly during the growing season and bring indoors before frost. Winter or indoor growing. Place in a sunny location. Avoid areas where the heating or air conditioning will be blowing directly on the plant. And keep soil evenly moist and feed regularly during the growing season. Prune as needed. There you go. See, there is this care, and I guess that has to be followed if you want to grow calamonding inside the house or indoors. Especially here in Canada, we don't really have summer long, but winter is much longer, and so this is it. So beautiful calamonding tree, calamonding plant. See, so nice and lush. Look at those fruits. Hopefully those fruits will grow bigger and mature. I have at least maybe 3, 4, maybe 4 bigger fruit now, but we'll wait a little bit longer. So many flowers too. See those flowers? They're like sampaguita flowers. They're so pretty, those flowers actually. You see, it's like sampaguita. You know, I have to line up for this to get this, because it was a long lineup to get inside the store to get this. But it's worth it. There you go, guys. I have a lovely calamonding plant. Yay, yay, yay! So exciting! Here we go. See the stems. There's 2 trees here. No, actually 3. 4 combined. Oh, so many of them. I can't count them. But it's so good. It looks so good. I guess the money is worth it. If you don't know how much is this is $50. I don't know how much would that cost in Filipino money, but it's $50 for this tree. But this was a birthday gift from my sister, so she gave me money to buy calamonding because she knows I love to have one, and I've waited for so many months to get one, and there it is. I got it, guys. So exciting. Yeah, well, by the way, it's not my birthday today. It was my birthday September, so there was long wait for me to get this. My birthday is September, now it's February, so how many months did I wait to get this? Because this only comes out during Chinese New Year's, and the Chinese New Year's is coming up soon. That's why they have this plant. Look at this plant. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yes, that looks so good. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoy my unboxing of my calamonding tree. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like and share and put a comment down below. And hope to see you soon. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Babush.